Hello, Flat Earth researchers, debaters and debunkers. Impersonation is an issue I have to frequently deal with from trolls on my channel. I'll just show you an example of this and the lengths people will go to try and derail the Flat Earth realization and how to deal with these trolls. So down here we have what appears to be my icon, me replying to someone saying, do you really think, perspective makes things disappear? Wow, that's not my comment. And if we open up that channel, we will see that it is a channel with no content. Okay, so it's not mine, but it's someone impersonating me. So what you have to do here is click on the flag and report the user. Okay, then we go to, it depends what it is, but this case it's impersonation. Okay, so off we go to report that, and then we've got some extra information to add here. How is this person impersonating you? Okay, my YouTube channel is being impersonated, and that is the URL of the empty channel. So we continue here. What it's going to do now is look for comments on other videos of mine which are by this person or this impersonator, not by me. It takes a while, but you shall see in a second what comes up. Right, so all these comments here, I know I just make things up as I go along. It gets views and suckers people into making comments. I want you to believe me as long as I get a high number of views, otherwise blah blah blah. So these are obviously not my comments. These are of the impersonator, who has a weird date there, 1970. Okay, and on this video too, all of these are the impersonator's comments. None here, quite a few here. Of course I'm wrong. Do you really think I believe the earth is flat? It's for subs and views. So yeah, this person is going to a lot of effort to disrupt what I'm saying. It proves that I can make videos about nonsense, nothing else. Yeah, okay, rather than letting people work that out for themselves. Oh, it's not allowing me to tick it there, I don't know why. Okay, no, can't get any more on that. Okay, well, it knows by now. I think you have to just select up to 20 or something like that. Yeah, okay, please select up to 20 comments. Yes, okay, so voila, go down here, and alright, investigate, okay, blah blah blah, okay. I'm not a robot. Submit. Oh, okay, just gonna... Alright, there you go. So it's done. So that's that done. Yeah. So just bear in mind that this can happen. So if you get a comment that appears to be from me that seems to be taking the piss or whatever, it's probably not. Just go and right click on the icon to see if it takes you to a channel with or without content. Okay, thank you very much.